Okay, I'm going to set this tool up now. The first thing is this has got to be square with the end of the shaft, which I'm using the side of this tool, which is square. So it's square with the shaft, into the shaft. Now I'm going to come in, check center height. And that's a little bit above center. Remember, tool won't cut if it's above center, it won't cut right. That's a little bit below, but that's fine. Shoot for dead center. And we're looking good. Okay. I've already measured this insert out here. 120, I'm sorry, thousandths. So I'm going to touch off on the edge of the insert. I'm going to zero my z-axis. Zero, enter. And now I'm going to come in the distance, which on the print is 1 inch 500 thousandths, 1 inch 750. So we are measuring, we're sitting like this. I need to come in 1 inch 500 thousandths to this edge. So I'm going to come in again, I've zeroed it. I'm going to move in the size of the insert, 120 thousandths. I'm going to zero I'm going to zero my z-axis. Fill around here, try to get this 410, 210, so that's close enough. Here, enter. Okay, now we'll come in 1 inch 500 thousandths. We are 1 inch 500, and I've got a diameter to hold of 900 thousandths, so I've got to go in there, and that's here. The diameter of this step, 900 thousandths, so I've got to go in 100 thousandths on the diameter, 50 on the radius. I'm just at this point, I'm going to come in, touch off, zero my X, start her up. Come in 100, we'll come in 95. 90. Now I need to step over the radius because it's a 250 wide. That was big 125. So if I come over another 125, or I take it to 625, that's the back side of my slot. I'm reading that out. So here we go. I'm going to re-zero it there while I wasn't touching. Watch your numbers. Don't watch the cut. 95. Go back to 1,500. Go back down to 95. Now I'm going to go right into 100. Then I'm going to feed across it. So I get to 625. That groove's done. Okay. Get this out of the way. Remember, we got the collet stop in there. So see that little ring in there? This happens to be broke, which is cool. It'll come right off. If it's a solid ring on there, do not try to yank it off with your fingers. You will spring a leak. Use a pair of needle nose pliers. Okay. Turn her back around. Tighten it. Now you're all going to do this in 4-jaw chuck because you experience in running 4-jaw chuck, so it will take you a little longer. I'm going to come back to 1 inch 500 thousandths. 625. Got one 625. I'm going to go to 100. I'm going to feed back this way. Okay, we've got the grooves in there. I'm going to shut her down. I'm going to set it up for threading.